Deadlocks here again. Today I'm escaping from the ASP's post-it notes.
Crazy. Crazy damn fool. You should have had one. Here's one I prepared earlier, like in Blue Peter.
Part of I did actually think of that because like this takes a little bit of prep, but part of what I'm wanting to try and do with these videos is any prep that I'm doing gets done in the handcuffs.
To show how you can do it. Did you wear them handcuffs at work while doing it?
No.
You just did it?
I figured this one out this morning when I got back in from work.
I was wondering why it took you so long to get up there upstairs. Actually, I lie. I was dead to the world. I didn't even know you'd come in. I don't even remember you getting into bed. Did I say anything to you?
Nope.
Nope. I was really tired last night. How have you got matching socks on? What? This is just like, are them new socks?
No.
They look new. Where did you find matching socks? That sounds like a weird thing to say, but Mr. Deadlocks does not spend time matching socks. He literally will go to the sock basket. Even if there's pairs of socks in his drawers, he'll always go to the socks basket and he'll just pick out random socks. Even if there's two socks that are exactly the same next to each other, he'll just grab two random socks.
That feel the same.
Two socks that feel the same. So it doesn't matter if one's pink and one's purple.
No. As long as they feel the same.
As long as I feel the same. I see.
Do you reckon I'm going to get it first time?
No, never happens first time.
On camera it doesn't.
No. Camera despises us. No!
You'll see in a moment why I'm happy to get it first time.
I'm going to see at the end of the first time that I do it. Because, yeah. But, yeah. Now, to rewind in the past. No, the future. No.
We're going to go to your future and our past.
See you in a few minutes.
Or a few minutes ago.
Yes. Correct. Goodbye.
Okay, so how I did it. Not that I've done it yet, because I'm doing this first through the magic of editing. Fold it, post it in half. And in half the other way. Tear it in half. Fold it in half again. Sticky side up so it sticks. So that appears to help. In half again. Yeah, fold as tight as possible. In half again.
Oh my goodness, your nails are getting long. You need to do a trim of them, mister.
Yep.
Oh.
And there's your shim. That may or may not work, depending on if you're lucky or not. This escape technique does seem a bit hitty-missy, especially since you can't actually shove it straight in like a proper shim. You need a little bit of slack, and then slide the shim in with the cuff. And you fold that way.
Yay, finally!
And then you shimmed out.
Not that he hasn't tried to do this several times today.
Yeah, for some reason that took several attempts sitting at the table. Now I get to see how many attempts it takes not sitting at the table.
I want to try do it with my own shim.
You're going to try in front of the camera?
You stick it in there, like so.
It doesn't slide very far in because it's too thick. It needs to go in with the cuff.
Then you have it in, and then you click it in. You just need to go in 4 times.
Keep going until you can't hear clicks.
Like that.
Yep.
And then bend it, and then
that's the problem. It sometimes pulls out.
Still going. Still doing it. Just stay. No! Just to keep doing it. Ready? Steady.
You can't force it.
Can. Magic, you say. Ah! I did it!
So, that's all from us. See you next time.